Alright, welcome back to Blue Collar Homestead. What we're going to do today is we got a set of bucket forks off Amazon. They're the Titan brand, rated for 1,500 pounds, 46-inch fork. Now yeah, there's better ones out there, but this tractor only weighs 1,300 pounds, and I don't think it could even lift 1,500 pounds. So this should be fine. Let's see what they sent. See what it looks like. Oh wow, they even packed it with foam, which I really don't see the point. These are going to get used, abused, and scratched, and everything else. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Get the other one out. You can see this is where these clamp on. I might have to get my hammer over here to get this loose, but let me grab a hammer real quick and I'll be right back. Alright. I think I gotta raise the bucket up a little bit to get these on all the way. Yeah, let me raise that up real quick. There we go. Oh, these should work pretty good. So definitely make it easier in the winter time when I could just grab a pallet full of firewood and bring it into the garage. It's also got a stabilizer bar that comes with it here, and this is supposed to be to prevent the forks from kind of wandering and doing this. There we go. See, I'm gonna have to get a wrench for that, but this guy slides right over that on both sides, and this is extendable. So, of course, I don't have a wrench with me either. So now I'm going to have to go grab one of those. Be right back. Alright, so we're going to loosen this up. Now I'm not going to tighten any of this up just yet because I don't know what position I want my forks to be in until I get close to a pallet. Man, that thing's tight. Let's put this in there. There we go. That's better. Same thing on this side. You can see inside are these kind of tighten up and hold it on the fork. Let's just slide this on real quick. And that's obviously I'm gonna have to take and make sure these are really tight. For now, I'm not going to tighten that up just yet. Like I said, I want to get it under a pallet so I can see how wide these need to be to grab a pallet that I have. Now, if you come back around over here, I'll show you something else. Of course, the directions are stuck inside here. There we go. And you can see this hole right here. What that's actually for is to put a chain in there with a come along going around to put some of the weight up on top of the bucket. That way, if you do try to lift something really heavy, you don't bend the bottom of your bucket and have it smiling at you. However, because this bucket's so small and they're so close to the edge, I really don't think that's going to be a problem. So, that's pretty much it for unboxing and install. Pretty easy. Not bad. I could be able to pick up a lot of stuff. I could put hay bales on there, move debris around, and move a lot of firewood with it. Other than that though, so far they seem pretty good out of the box, but we're going to use and abuse them for a little while. We'll probably do another review later on that shows a little more abuse on these things and see what they can handle. So until the next one, I'll see you later.